Welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to transfer money from Google Opinion Rewards to PayPal. Let's get started. First, log in to your PayPal account using your credentials. If this is your first time using PayPal, click on the Sign Up option and choose between a personal or business account. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to go. For those who are new to Google Opinion Rewards, this service is run by market researchers who send short surveys. You don't have to answer every survey, and the frequency may vary. In exchange for completing surveys, you receive payments through Google Opinion Rewards via PayPal. According to Google Opinion Rewards payment information, once your earnings reach the required amount, Google will send a payment to your Google Opinion Rewards email address through PayPal. If the email address used for Google Opinion Rewards is the same as your PayPal email, the payment will automatically appear in your PayPal balance, and you'll receive a notification. If your Google Opinion Rewards email is different from your PayPal email, you'll need to accept the first payment within 30 days by linking that email address to your PayPal account. Once the initial payment is accepted, future payments will be transferred automatically, and you'll continue receiving notification emails. After the money appears in your PayPal account, go to the Wallet section. From there, link a bank account or a card so you can transfer your PayPal balance to your local bank. PayPal gives you flexible options for managing your money, including bank transfers and card withdrawals, and it's widely accepted across many online platforms. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.